If you are starting a business, you might hear about issuing shares. Let's break down what these represent for a company owner. At its simplest level, a share represents a unit of ownership in a company. It is a piece of the total equity pie. When a company is formed, the total number of shares represents the entirety of the business ownership, often split between founders. Shares are more than just paper. They define who gets to vote on major changes and who is entitled to receive company profits. Unlike a sole trader, a limited company is its own legal person. Shares allow that entity to be split into manageable parts. Most small companies start with a simple split. Here, Founder A holds 60%, maintaining control, while Founder B holds 40%. Remember that issuing shares is a formal process. It is best to consult with a professional to understand the legal implications involved. Understanding shares is the first step to scaling a business. Thanks for watching, and remember this is educational content, not financial advice.